Jesse Jackson said it's morning time. You ought to tell your neighbor it's morning time. It's morning time now. Come on here. Come on. Come on. The world is turning. But God is still a deliverer. Watch out, I'm going to mess with you now. Listen real close. While the world is searching for tomorrow, all of our children have become young and restless. Many of them are ending up in general hospital. Have mercy. They're looking and they need a guiding light, because they're going to stand before one of the judges of this life. Might be in divorce court, Judge Judy, Judge Mathis, or Judge Brown. But God is still a deliverer. As the world turns, God is still a deliverer. We got to understand that He's our rock and our fortress and our deliverer. He's our strength in whom we had to trust. He's the buckler and the horn of our salvation. He is our high tower, and we got to call upon Him. The name of the Lord is a high tower, and those that run in, the righteous, that run in there, they are saved. As the world turns, God is still everything you need. As the world turns, regardless of what you're going through, God is still on the throne. He delivers us from our strong enemy and from them that hates us, because they were too strong for us. Thank God for a God that knows what you're going through. Thank God for a God that in the midst of trouble, He will sustain us. He will keep us. Come on, somebody. After the Lord comes in and saves us, He'll bring you into a large place, because He has delivered you and He still delights in you. You wonder why you're not dead today. You wonder why you are not in prison today. You wonder why you're not an outcast today. It's simply because the Lord got His hands dirty, reached down into a horrible pit and lifted you up out of it. He didn't mind getting His hands dirty, because He's got so much invested in you. He's got so much. You got to understand, the Lord loves you regardless of what you've done. Somebody say you're preaching a weak gospel. I'm not preaching a weak gospel, but I came to